You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. So we start here. Gold prices hit another all-time high this week, briefly topping $2,882 an ounce on Wednesday. The surge came as trade war concerns drove demand for the safe haven metal. Prices later eased after reports that the U.S. may present a plan to end Russia's war on the Ukraine at an upcoming security meeting. Now, despite the dip, gold prices remain high amid fears of renewed tariffs between the U.S. and China. Dealers are moving gold to the U.S. ahead of potential trade measures. One-month lease rates in London have spiked to 4.7%, and that's far above previous near-zero levels. Anglo Platinum, known as Amplats, is attracting strong investor interest as it prepares to spin off from its parent company, Anglo American. Well, that's the word from CEO Craig Miller, who says the separation is expected by mid-year, along with a company name change. A secondary listing in London will make Amplats the only platinum group metals producer on the exchange, appealing to new investors. Miller believes London's market structure may be more attractive to fund managers. Platinum group metal prices have fallen recently, partly due to the rise of battery electric vehicles. Canadian uranium developer NexGen Energy is close to sealing new supply deals with U.S. nuclear utilities, despite rising trade tensions between the two countries. CEO Lee Curyer says talks are progressing well, building on previous contracts to supply 5 million pounds of uranium. Now, the company plans to develop its $1.6 billion Rock 1 mine in Saskatchewan, which could supply about 13% of the world's uranium. Curyer says trade threats haven't disrupted negotiations, with demand for nuclear fuel remaining strong. NexGen is awaiting its final permit to begin construction this year. Weardale Lithium has secured approval to build the UK's largest lithium extraction facility in northeast England. Durham County Council unanimously backed the project following community consultations and design changes. The facility will feature a demonstration plant using direct lithium extraction, known as DLE technology, to produce battery lithium carbonate. This method is low impact, uses less water, and relies on renewable energy where possible. Fleet Space Technologies has won a government grant to develop gravity sensors for exploring the Moon and Mars. Well, these sensors will help map underground structures and find hidden resources. Next year, the company will send its Spider tech to the Moon to search for water ice and create 3D maps of the surface. Spider is already used by mining giants like Rio Tinto and Barrick for exploration on Earth. Fleet Space says the grant will help improve site selection, navigation, and resource planning for future space missions. Well, that's a wrap for your headlines on mining.com. Bye for now.